guys, so today we're at Byford Train Station and it's just opened up today, Sunday the 12th of October. It's been a long time in the making. The Armadale line has been closed for over 18 months and it's finally in service. So we have the train 330 and 237. Don't worry, the screen isn't flashing. It's just the rate on the camera. I tried to change the frame rate, but it was still doing the same. We've got 2 tracks you guys could see. So there's actually 3 platforms. The track on the right hand side is the Australind train, which connects to Bunbury. Even though it's called the Australind, I think it used to terminate there. It's platform 3, so that's where the Australind train would stop, but it's not running today. So normally the bus services would be here, so the 254 and other bus services that are in the area, but they're using it for the MetroNet event today. So all the buses will be running as normal tomorrow. What do you guys think of the look? I like it. Really big water tank. Oh, numerous tanks actually. There's 2 big water tanks. Got a nice playground in the middle as well. It's a gorgeous day today. It's 25 degrees Celsius at the moment. It's really an awesome day to be out and about, especially on a Sunday. Also a bike shelter, so you'd use your smart rider to actually open the door. There's no bikes in there yet. So this is the Australind crossing. And it's a single track, narrow gauge, that will also follow into the Armadale, Perth direction. The platform's just up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to board the train and we're going to go to Armadale train station.
We'll see you later. Have a great day. See you soon. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah. Will be. Got 1 minute. It's really bad. So, beautiful scenery though.
个站地就下来。刚才就还没到啊，咱们。
It's hectic here.
后面就是山，这后面就是山。估计这就算最漂亮的地方。你看这儿，现在车的水都是那个拿雨水的。
It's really quite a nice journey though.
对。看到山上有房子，啊，咱们远处看到山上盖个房子，看到山上，看那山上估计那地方挺高的。是吧？哎，
Rubbish as well.
哎，看，
That's a lot
这
of
就是
rubbish.
收费用的，回收公司。
At least it's not dumped.
在这些地方出去就把
Normally you see rubbish dumped a lot. At least it's in a tip. The old brickworks.
主要是山里，估计是来这儿拍的山，拍的那个大货车。
It's rural out here though.
我特刀嘛，我那就特刀了，俺们就在那特刀拐过去。
Okay, so we're going up the elevation now.
咱们开这个小车是吧？啊，估计就是来这儿买的。
A nice view of Armadale as well.
到了那个阿巴塞尔它就好点。
And you got the foothills in the background.
在这儿它就有了。
So it's quite nice.
它就该接触，你看，就相对的就不一样，是吧？哎，对，相对的。大概就
And this is Armadale Station.
像他们现在就过这个就往山里走。
That was chaotic. Going to Byford was not like that. And then we've got the Byford bound train, platform 3. Both trains departing at the same exact time. And this is what Armadale Station looks like. I really like it. I really like the design. I really like how they've done this. So much better than before, than the train station that used to be down there. It feels more safer as well. Yeah, I just really like it. I really like what they did. The project was a little late to finish. It was supposed to finish in June this year, but it's finished now. So about 4 months late, but that's pretty good considering shortages in material and getting the labour, etc. So I think they did really good with with the time frame. They really delivered. So I'm really happy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get off the platform and we're going to go downstairs and we'll show you the rest of the station.
Second mail.
Looks so much different. Look how good this looks. Look at the roof, it looks so trippy.
Good to get it all there. Just running.
This looks really cool. The Aboriginal artwork. Lots of turtles. Looks like stars.
Welcome passengers. Your next service leaves from platform 3 in 5 minutes.
So it's quite large, it's quite long. I really enjoy this train station. Anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed it and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.